Starting around 24 walk 2024, Ethereum certainly is exchanging at $3.33 in terms of its worst rate, with the value change of 0.8% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, which really is very huge. ETH explicitly has a sort of complete market cap of $407, 487, 124.931 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $12, 254, 366, 136, which generally is genuinely huge. This generally makes Ethereum ETH certainly positioning at 2 in the digital money market, which for the most part shows that ETH especially has an essentially all-out market cap of $407, 487, 124.931 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $12, 254, 366, 136, which especially is very huge. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024, what will Ethereum truly be fundamentally worth in 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical. Is Ethereum a wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024? Will ETH value sort of outperform its untouched high, which generally is genuinely critical? These generally are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ETH cost generally is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $488, the normal most certainly least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the kind of current year, or to explicitly be $354 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, ETH can arrive at an especially greatest value level of $5,138, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value conjecture walk 2024, the truly normal cost of Ethereum ETH could essentially go to $3,508 toward the finish of walk 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. ETH could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $3,608 with the especially least expected cost of $3,207, which fundamentally is very critical. Ethereum value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the greatest cost for Ethereum could stretch around $3,748, or so they basically thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in April 2024 certainly is $3,446 with a truly normal cost of $3,613. So on the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024, what will Ethereum basically be worth in 2024, in every way that really matters as opposed to prevalent thinking? Ethereum value forecast May 2024. The cost of Ethereum sort of is certainly anticipated to basically reach at a really least worth of $3,624 in May 2024, which, for the most part, is genuinely huge. The ETH cost could especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $3,929 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $3,758 all through 2024, which basically is very critical. Ethereum value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the by and large most extreme cost for Ethereum could stretch around $4,079. Especially further appearance how Ethereum value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the truly greatest cost for Ethereum could stretch around $4,079 in a fundamentally significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in June 2024 basically is $3,699 with an especially normal cost of $3,833, or so they truly thought. Ethereum ETH value conjecture July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Ethereum in a real sense is certainly anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $309 while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $4,271 and at least $3,742, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Ethereum explicitly is supposed to explicitly be at around a by and large least of $3,893, which for the most part shows that in addition ETH can in every practical sense arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $5,138, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost can arrive at a kind of limit of $4,427 with a sort of typical cost of $4,027 in USD, exhibiting how ETH sort of has, for the most part, complete market cap of $407, 487, 124, 931 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $12, 254, 366, 136, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. ETH value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Ethereum basically is estimated to be at around, and in every practical sense, least worth of $4.14, showing how Ethereum ETH value gauged July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Ethereum is generally anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a typical cost of $3,909, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $4,271 and a truly least of $3,742 in an essentially significant manner. The Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at an extremely limit of $4,588 with a very normal exchanging worth of $4,147 in USD, which truly shows that Ethereum value conjecture walk 2024. The normal cost of Ethereum ETH could for the most part go to $3,508 toward the finish of walk 2024 in a large manner. Ethereum value gauge. October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Ethereum for the most part is supposed to generally be at around at least $4.97. Ethereum cost can especially arrive at a very limit of $4,754 with the exceptionally normal cost of $4,230 in USD, which truly shows that ETH value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Ethereum certainly is estimated to be at around a base worth of $4.14, showing how Ethereum ETH value. Figure July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Ethereum is truly anticipated to generally arrive at a very normal cost of $3,909, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $4,271 and a genuinely least of $3,742, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Ethereum value forecast November 2024. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $4,148 in November 2024, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ETH cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $4,966 with a really normal exchanging worth of $4,315 all through 2024, or so they for the most part thought. Ethereum ETH value expectation December 2024. The cost for Ethereum in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $4,354 and $5,138, or so they by and large thought. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to be around $4,488, which in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum exceptionally passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been really diminished by 0.68% in its by and large current worth, or so they generally thought. On the off chance that we basically look at the really current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap is likewise down, which generally shows that this makes Ethereum ETH positioning at 2 in the digital money market, which most certainly shows that ETH explicitly has an especially complete market cap of $407